Hi everyone, this is John Siegman with Third Iron. I'm going to talk to you about a second optional step you can do when configuring the LibKey integration into Primo NDE. Specifically, we're going to be talking about how to alter the default labels that indicates different LibKey elements inside of Primo. That could mean that you're going to use different words than we're using in the English translation version, or you may want to localize it and add a second or even a third language to your LibKey integration. So I'll show you how to do both of those things here. Let's follow along with the guide, first of all. So coming from the Third Iron homepage, click on API, and go find the NDE instructions. Now we have a totally separate video that talks through the initial 4 steps of setting up LibKey inside of NDE in general. And if you only need the English translation and you're totally fine with the words that we chose to use as the default, this step is totally unnecessary. But if you'd like to customize and localize your link labels, click the jump link there and come down to this set of instructions. So we're going to be working through this here. In general, what's happening here with NDE is that we are using the built-in label customization inside of Alma to have these labels work and to show the translations. And to get you started with that, it's easiest to actually do a bulk import of all the different possible labels via an Excel spreadsheet. So we've actually created that here for you already. So you can just find this, this link here, and you can see a little preview. And I'm going to click the download button. So now with that available, I'm going to go back into Alma, and I have to find this section here. So I'll go click on Configuration and Discovery, and then Labels under Display Configuration. Now there's lots of different areas, so these are all different code tables for doing different labels. We're going to scroll down here, they're in alphabetical order. We're going to find NDE Custom Defined Labels. Now I'm going to go in here and click Edit. So I'm going to go Import to bring in that spreadsheet that I just downloaded. So import, navigate my system here. I have my NDE LibKey labels, and I'm going to click Upload File. You can see it shows me a preview, so you can see all the codes that are here and the description, meaning this is what the label says. So I'm going to import that row, so you can see the different codes and descriptions appeared here. Now what you can see is that this code is very specific for the integration, and then there's a description, which is our default text. So again, if you only need this English text and you like these labels that are here, there's no reason to do this. But if you wanted to change these, then you can just go in here and change this to whatever text that you would like. Now, if your campus supports multiple languages, that's what this translation side is for here. So I have this filter on English right now, but let's say my campus supports Arabic and French. So I could click over on French, and you can see it still looks like English right now, but I could go in here and make this French word for each of the, or French phrase for each of these different phrases here. And remember to click Save, and then that will take effect immediately inside of Primo. You can do that again by going to Arabic, or if you support 3 languages, for example, and put in your 3rd language. And again, remember to click Save after you are done making your edits. And that's it. You should be all set. Thanks very much. Let us know if you have any questions. Take care.